So I actually didn't know there is a Vanguard mobile app. I only heard about Vanguard app, of course, on the web browser on a desktop, but seems it's quite popular iOS app, 171,000 ratings so far, pretty high average rating, 4.7. And this app was just updated, and it's a new Vanguard app. You have updated and refined our features to make it easier than ever to invest from your mobile device. We'll be rolling out new updates every few weeks, but if there is something you want us to build, you can let us know in our support tab. Use the app to do the following: access an overview of your accounts, dive deeper to track your account, make trades, deposit checks directly into your accounts, and review transaction history. So then, yeah, you can just open it up, and then you can log in here. And if you want to open a new account, yeah, you probably will just need to go through the website and still apply through the website.